Benar ku mencintaimu, tapi kau berbiji.
Sama nggak sih?
Wah, ini baru Singapura. Singapura deh. Orang Singapura deh. Iya, Mbak. Itu kenapa dia oke-oke gini? Wah, lagi kesurupan, Mbak. Anjir.
Nee, dammetje.
Pretty leuk. Skootje, zwenge, what the fuck?
Made in China.
Made in China. Toy kali toy.
Italiano!
Siema, kurva.
Ja, wat is говорить по-русски?
Apa sih kurva? Iya.
И сколько поставлю просто?
Po polsku.
Кашмиру летом. Hey, say it. I love Lithuania. Say it now.
Kohamche.
Say I love Lithuania.
I love you. The Trigger.
Many guys love me. You are not my type, you know.
Oh, I am very handsome.
How old are you? You're like 55.
55. You look like 69.
Yes. Are you jealous?
Enggak, no. I'm not salty. Just
Yes, you
kidding.
are. I can see it in your eyes. Actually.
I just
Don't
kidding.
lie.
I won't sing. Aja dah. Gue nyanyiin Perindo aja ya.
Good singing, actually.
Marilah seluruh rakyat Indonesia,
Something more for me, for us.
arahkan pandanganmu ke depan. Bila mimpimu bagi sama-sama. Iya.
Sing it more.
Ensemble citoyen, formez vos bataillon, marchons, que sang empire, abreuve nation. Wah, tepuk tangan dong, gitu, good dong. You from Lithuania ya? You from Lithuania?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you from Lithuania. Benar ku mencintaimu, tapi kau berbiji. Ternyata engkau laki-laki, kau telah menipuku. Benar ku mengintip kamu, kau kencing berdiri. Ternyata engkau laki-laki, kau telah menipuku. Yoi. Mantap dah, you very friendly. Because many Lithuanian not friendly. Dia skip wae. You very good dah. Is that your boyfriend?
Please translate.
I'm not your boyfriend.
Oh, I thought you are the boyfriend.
I love you.
I love you too, kohamche.
Я тебе не.
Yeah. Dobrze. Nie, mówi po polsku.
You are ugly.
You are kurwa. You are pierdolsie. You are prostitute. Iya, kurva. Kurva. Mukanya kayak sampai Kristen Stewart aja gitu ya. Halo. Weh.
Hi.
Aduh, good. Can you speak English?
A little bit.
Oh, little bit. Okay, good dah. Yeah, what's your name?
Paulina and Justina.
Paulina and Christina Stewart. Yoi. Justina.
Yes.
Okay, you from Poland nih?
Yes.
Yeah, Warsaw.
No.
Oh no, Krakow.
No.
Janów Lubelski.
Janów Blabowski.
What's your name?
My name is Mesin Air. Minuman apa?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Bang. Aduh. Ya, Bang, tahu-tahu ya aja, Bang. Bang tuh
Aina antum.
itu bandrek, Bang ya? Itu apa di botol marjan, Bang? Beras kencur, Bang. Si Abang mau diam aja, ditanyain. Abang kayak ini Abdur yang di stand up komedi itu, Bang. Iya, mirip Abang lah mukanya. Kirain tuh kita nyom nih. Tiga ngobrol nih. Singapura kalendernya dari toko emas nih, Bang. Situ siapa aja? Woi, mantep, Bang. Gajah tunggal. Bagus. Ayo dong nyanyi lagi. Ayo mau dengerin nih. Aduh, baju gratisan beli ban dia. Halo. Waduh, you are very Serbia. Are you from Serbia? Serbia. What did you speak? You speak Russia? Are you speak Ruski? No.
Odakle ste?
Odang listrik, tiang listrik katanya.
Kušiljevo Kosmilenca.
Okay, yeah, I understand dah. You use kupluk? Are you seller? You are rental villa?
Odakle ste?
Are you akang-akang villa? Do you speak English? You rental villa agak di puncak, on the top Bogor, top city, puncak city, kota puncak, kota. You very good, you very friendly. You like to smile. You handsome dah, aduh, tawe mulu ente gigi kering tuh. Ente dalam banget gigi. Wasta'inu bisobri wasolah.
Niel. Eliminasi zono.
Gitu padahal ngomong nggak nih. Ini adalah contoh interaksi sosial yang tidak terjadi di antara kita.
Ya potensi komanda.
Dah. Muka ente kayak Caki. You look like Ibrahimovic. Lu tahu gak? Ibrahimovic. Gue ketawa liat muka dia aja. Bang, muka lu kocak, Bang. Asli, you rental pila apa? Dia ada giginya tapi kayak ompong gitu kan. Anjir. You very good friend. Udah capek gue.
Hello.
Wah, hello bro.
Hello my friend.
What's up? What's up? What's down? Yeah. Okay.
You are funny man. You are joker.
I'm Joker. Yeah. You from Lithuania, yeah. Yeah.
So, do you have some girls?
Girl, yeah, I find some girl in Lithuania, very beautiful. Beautiful girl. Lithuania, very beautiful girl. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, I hope I get one girl in Lithuania. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna take her to the Indonesia. Yeah. I wanna marry her.
Oh.
Aduh. Do you have Lithuanian girl?
Of course.
Oh, good. Lithuanian girl, beautiful.
I have 3 girls.
Oh, 3 girl. You playboy. Yeah.
Yes.
Waduh, you playboy ente. Good deh. Yeah, you playboy. You cheating. Yeah, you cheating.
Of course, man.
Yeah, what's your name, brotherku?
My name is Gintas.
Oh, Gintas. Good name. Good.
What is your name?
My name is Daster Ma.
Dastrama.
Iya, Daster Ma.
Dasterma.
Iya, good. Very good pronunciation. Yo. Caca. Apa sih? I don't understand you. You talk what? Iya. You what your name? Your name. Lu kelolotan ini ya, tulang bandeng ya. Iya, aduh bisa aja ente ganteng-ganteng cuma aneh. Duh. Ada orang Kazakhstan gitu, kopi, itu kopi. Kopi or tea. Hah? Ini anaknya siapa sih, ya Allah, ya Robi, diajak ngomong gak nyambung ente. Itu minum apa lu? Kecup. Saus dong lu, saus mie ayam. Iya, saus sih. Iya. Ada aja nih anaknya siapa sih, boy? Ambil, boy.
What is your name?
My name. Yeah. My name speaker getuk. Makan tuh speaker getuk. Mana dia mau aja lagi ngeladenin gua. Beda lucu. Yeah, I like your suit, bro. Yeah, very white. Good. You brush your teeth every day, eh? What's your name, brother? What's your name?
My name is Said.
Oh, Said. Good name. How old are you? What?
What's your name?
My name is Timbangan Tape.
What do you say?
Timbangan Tape. Iya, Timbangan Tape.
Good name.
Iya, good name. Very good. Iya.